Hello everyone. In this discussion, we will cover chapter 26 assessment questions. Well, let's see the learning objectives. After this lesson, you should be able to summarize the main points of the chapter, and also you should be able to solve chapter assessment questions. Now, for reference, you can use your textbook pages 776 to 777. Now let's start the chapter 26 assessment questions. We will start from chapter 26 lesson 1. Let's see the first question. What body plan features did Cambrian animals evolve over 10 to 15 million years? So the answer is specialized cells, tissues and organs, body symmetry, segmentation, a front and a back end, appendage, shells, skeletons, and other hard parts. So these are the body plan features. Let's see the next question. So what evidence exists to indicate that annelids and mollusks are closely related? So what are the evidences? So the answer is both have true coeloms surrounded by mesoderm and trochophore larvae. Let's see another very important question. So most cnidarians do not swim toward their prey. Instead, they capture prey carried by water currents. How is this behavior related to their body plan? So how is this behavior related to their body plan? So the answer is cnidarians are very simple organisms. They do not have body structures that allow them to swim toward their prey. Now let's see the next question. Compare and contrast. How are echinoderms structurally different from arthropods? The answer is, unlike arthropods, echinoderms have spiny skin, radial symmetry, an internal skeleton, and a water vascular system that includes a network of water-filled tubes and suction cup-like structures called tube feet. Echinoderms are deuterostomes. In contrast, arthropods are bilaterally symmetrical, and they exhibit cephalization, possess many appendages, and have an exoskeleton. Arthropods are protostomes. Students, this will let's see some questions from chapter 26 lesson 2. Let's begin with question number 15. Which two major groups of fishes evolved from the early jawed fishes and still survive today? Which two major groups of fishes evolved from the early jawed fishes and still survive today? So here is the answer. So the classes are class chordates, or the cartilaginous fishes, and class osteichthyes, or the bony fishes. Let's see the next one. What adaptation enables birds to live in environments that are colder than those in which most reptiles live? What adaptation enables birds to live in environments that are colder than those in which most reptiles live? Here is the answer. Birds regulate their internal body temperature. Let's see the next one. Describe how the young of monotremes, marsupials, and placental mammals obtain nourishment. Here is the answer. All young mammals receive nourishment from milk produced by their mothers' bodies. Well, now let's see the last question. Which anatomical characteristics of nonvertebrate chordates suggest that, in terms of evolutionary relationships, these animals are more closely related to vertebrates than to other groups of animals? So the answer is either as adults or as larvae. Nonvertebrate chordates have the key chordate characteristics such as a notochord, a nerve cord, pharyngeal parts, and a tail that extends beyond the anus. Students, this will be the end of this video. For more information, you can refer your textbook, and the pages are mentioned at the beginning of this video, and also you can review the videos of chapter 26, lesson 1 and lesson 2.